This is a 2011 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, 9 strategically placed speakers, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, a folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 16,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
White Bear Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3425 Highway 61 North in St. Paul.